Paper boats poem from 5th class. Day by day I float my paper boats, one by one down the running stream. In big black letters I write my name on them and the name of the village where I live. I hope that someone in some strange land will find them and know who I am. I load my little boats with silly flowers of garden and hope that these blossoms that will be carried safely to land in night. Day by day I float my paper boats, one by one down the running stream. Day by day I float my paper boats, one by one down the running stream.